one of the most prettiest. I'm not joking. Oh, baby! You just go pee on the property. It's yours. Is that true?
Yeah.
And the rich, warm, and can keep you up all night long. Good morning from Drakensberg, you guys. My most favorite spot in South Africa by far. It's on the countryside. Like I told you yesterday, it takes you 4 hours to get from Joburg. You can drive it down. It's the prettiest place. But for now, let me show you where I'm staying. This is the Airbnb that I found. It's one of the prettiest Airbnb. I've never done a cave house before, right? But it's totally worth it because I want to show you what I woke up to. It feels like I woke up in heaven because there are mountains and then you're kind of on an elevated zone. There is a pool. Everything is just so perfect. There are birds chirping, if you can hear them. But let me first show you the place and then I will show you around of what I see. I'm sorry about the mess. The place was a lot prettier when I came in yesterday, but I of course slept and woke up. So this is the main bed. It's a 1-bedroom place. Here is the main bed and I'm gonna let Diane go and show you guys the bathroom, which is also very pretty. So that's one of the loos, which has a beautiful stone bathtub. And of course your hot water situation is all sorted and everything. How pretty. It's really cold. It starts with 7 degrees in the morning and gradually goes up to 13-14 degrees throughout the day. And you can cook your own meal, which I doubt I will be doing because I don't have the time or the passion to do so. But this cute little kitchen, you have your microwave, heater here, and then sorry about the mess, guys. I unpacked clearly, but this is a hall. If you have an extra child you don't want to disturb you in the night, you can totally dump him here. I'm joking. Don't take me seriously. And then there's another loo. You know me, right? I always like having 2 bathrooms. I don't know why. I don't like sharing my loos. Real quick, I cannot wait for you guys to meet this cutest man again who made this cute place, Steve. He's a South African man. He's so cute, you guys. He owns the place and he's a painter. Can you see all these paintings on the walls? Is painted by him. So everything here is done by him and his wife. Even on the ceiling he has like paintings. So we have our private pool, you guys, which I'm not getting in because it's fucking freezing. Just look at the view. Go get ready to go out for breakfast. Shopping. We don't eat, we first shop. Wind chimes in my studio from all over the world. So now it's time for South Africa. My most favorite. That's my husband. Men are like coffee. The best ones are rich, warm, and can keep you up all night long. Baby, they're talking about you. Women, this is for you. He asked why the house isn't clean since I'm home all day. I asked why we aren't rich since you worked the whole day. Sassy. Alrighty, you know I collect them from all over the world. So this one is coming from South Africa for my studio. A lot of fridge magnets. And then this weighing scale, I don't know why, I'm a Virgo. So I'll kind of like to have a balance in my studio. Quick reminders to self and thou. Coming home with me. Someone book extra luggage.
Yeah.
That looks good.
Looks very nice. Very nice.
Doesn't have any dairy products.
No dairy at all.
No dairy at all. It's one of the healthiest chocolates we have.
That's my kind of thing. Cutest marshmallows. Look at them.
Yeah. Yeah.
But something that's fascinating for me is the chili creations. What is
The
this?
chili essence is very spicy, guys. It's chili. Cleaning the factory now because we're done working. Then over there in the corner is our warmer, where we warm our chocolates. And then next to it is the machine, the actual machine that we put the chocolates in after it has been warmed up. So we can actually put it on the molds which are there on the table, the plastic ones.
Right.
The molds have got a design of the Drakensberg mountain like you saw on the chocolates.
Right.
This is where we do the packing.
Wow. It's a very clean, hygienic place. It's quite a bit of process.
Yeah.
These are the marshmallows.
Yes, these are the hard
These are the hard marshmallows and they're pink
and white.
and white. The best combination ever.
Yeah.
Alrighty, thank you very, very much.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
That's pretty cool.
The twins.
They are twins? Oh. The life of kids in Drakensberg. What are you looking for? I was thinking of full body massage.
Hello.
Oh, so cute! So I'll do a hot stone 90 minute.
90 minutes.
Just before sunset I finish. Maybe you have options between foot massage, Indian head. I think you should do foot massage and Indian head massage.
We have a special
Okay.
that we're running. It's like 500 rand. It's 3 in 1.
Okay.
So it's your back, your scalp, and your feet.
Okay.
How long will that take?
It's an hour.
And the remaining 30 minutes he can have fun without his wife. Alrighty, you guys, finally, after almost how many days here? Almost 15 days. I'm getting a spa done. I have actually tried to do this everywhere, in Cape Town, in Joburg, and then where else was I? In Zambia and Zimbabwe. And you know, Gotham is so funny. He won't let me get a massage because he thinks for 90 minutes he won't get to be with me. So it's so crazy, so I'm making him do a 60-minute massage as well. Alright, so we're gonna go on for 90 minutes. I'll see you guys all rejuvenated in 90 minutes. Ta-da!
Are you good?
He thought it's so interesting. I want to do it after seeing you, honestly. But I think I might chop my arm. Okay. Oh, well done!
There we go. You mustn't aim for here. You must aim for there.
Oh,
Okay, so you go.
oh,
Bang.
you're right.
You want to try?
Yeah, one.
Oh, baby!
Aha.
You
He's my
impress
man.
me all the time. I'm so happy. So you came in first and you built that one first. You're the one where you're staying now. Was that
Yes.
the first one?
There was nothing here. I came to Dragon Peaks twice a month on holiday. And I thought, no, because I love this place. So that's it. I want to buy this place. I want it now. I'm selling my business. I'm getting out of Durban. I'm sick of the rat race. And she says, no, you just go up there and you wee on the property and it's yours.
What? Really?
What?
You have to she says, you just go pee on the property, it's yours. You don't have to. Is that true?
Yeah.
So you just got the property?
Yeah, so I went up there and I did a little tyndall and that was mine.
Oh my God!
And yeah, been here ever since.
God meant it for you
Oh,
to
yeah.
have this place.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Alrighty guys, we are actually in the Drakensberg Sun Resort. Looks like a fun place. I looked for restaurants for dinners nearby and this was 8 kilometers away. It's a fancy one, I like it. It's buffet and I see fish and chicken and basmati rice. I'm happy. Guys, it's getting colder and it's been a long day. So good night. I'll see you tomorrow for another day at Drakensberg. Tomorrow is my last night here. We have amazing things planned for you and I and us. So I'll see you tomorrow. Stay warm, stay nice, stay kind, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and show me all the love you got. Bye, you guys. See you tomorrow. Good night. Once on the lips, forever on the hips. It's like one of the fanciest hotels to live in here. He got it!